Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to create a custom gradient background in Canva. If you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, just click on the design, go on this background color. Now first of all, select the base color. For example, I want my gradient to be yellowish. Just click on yellow color, or you can select color from here, add a new color. Select whatever color you like. Okay. Now, as you can see, here's this option gradient. Click on it. And as you can see, you can choose according to your need. Now, there are two colors. One is base and second one is secondary. Now, you can change this color according to your need. As you can see. Now, there are many gradient design which you can choose. So that's it for the video. That's how you can create a custom gradient background in Canva. Thanks for watching.